factory starts its day by pulling energy, water, materials, and people into one place and turning them into products. That same process also creates heat, waste, and emissions. Sustainability is not about stopping that process. It's about making it cleaner, calmer, and smarter without breaking it. Energy comes first because energy touches everything. Most factories waste energy quietly. Motors run bigger than needed. Lights stay on when no one is there. Heat escapes through walls and pipes. No one feels the loss, but everyone pays for it. When factories install efficient motors, LED lighting, and smart meters, something changes. Not the machines, the awareness. Suddenly managers see where energy spikes happen. Suddenly night shifts look different. Suddenly waste becomes visible, and what becomes visible becomes fixable. Machines come next. Machines don't fail suddenly. They warn. They vibrate a little more. They heat a little more. They pull a little more power. Listening to those warnings prevents breakdowns, avoids emergency repairs, and keeps production steady. This protects profits and protects people's jobs at the same time. Material comes next. Every piece of scrap once had value. It was mined, processed, transported, and paid for. Then it became waste. Not because someone made a mistake. Because systems drift. Feedback comes late. Processes slip out of tolerance. Variations pile up. Tighter control reduces scrap. Better feedback reduces rework. Less waste means less cost and less pressure on the environment. Water comes next. In many parts of India, water is already a daily concern. Reusing processed water reduces dependency on external sources. Separating clean and dirty streams reduces treatment costs. Closed-loop systems reduce loss. The cheapest water is the water you already have. Heat comes next. Heat is energy that lost its purpose. Capturing waste heat turns loss into value. It warms inputs. It generates power. It supports other processes. Nothing new is created. Something lost is recovered. Power comes next. Clean power works when it fits into existing operations. Rooftop solar reduces daytime grid demand. Green power contracts stabilize long-term costs. Production stays the same. The footprint shrinks. People come next. Cleaner air reduces illness. Safer systems reduce accidents. Stable operations reduce stress. Healthy workers are not a benefit. They are a requirement for reliable production. Now zoom out. When factories waste less, cities breathe easier. When cities breathe easier, healthcare systems relax. When healthcare systems relax, productivity rises. When productivity rises, incomes rise. This is not a moral chain. It's a causal one. Sustainability works because it aligns reality with itself. It makes systems less fragile, less sensitive to energy price shocks, less sensitive to water shortages, less sensitive to regulation, disruption, and risk. This is why sustainability lasts when slogans fade. It pays, it protects, it stabilizes. India does not need to slow down. India needs to waste less while moving forward. Less loss, less friction, less damage, more value from the same effort. That is practical sustainability, not branding, not ideology, design. future of India is being built every day, not in speeches, but in choices. What machines we buy, what systems we design, what inefficiencies we tolerate, what waste we accept as normal. If you run a business, start measuring what you've been ignoring. If you design systems, design them to waste less. If you make policy, reward efficiency, not just expansion. If you're a citizen, support the companies that build smarter, not just bigger. Because sustainability is not about saving the planet someday, it's about building a country that still works tomorrow. And that future is being engineered right now.